Hello students, good morning all of you. Welcome back. Okay, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Here with another interesting class, I am going to discuss on the basic concept of what? Refraction of light. Yes, are you ready? And it is in fact a great pleasure for me to know your eagerness and interest towards the class. Okay, so in this class, I am going to discuss the definition of refraction of light and its usefulness and some observation in our daily life, and also I am discussing the rules of the refraction of light. Yes, okay. So in this class I am going to discuss the definition of refraction of light and some observation of the refraction of light and the usefulness. Let's start. Recapitulation of the reflection of light. Reflection of light, all of you know. Yes, okay. Yes, understand? So we know that the bouncing back of light to the same medium after striking against a medium is known as reflection. This is known as what? Reflection of light. Here light coming is made to fall. This is the incident ray is made to fall on the surface. After striking the surface, what happens? It returns, bounces back to the same medium. Okay, so this is one of the facts of the reflection of light, and the reflection of light takes place in one medium. Okay, yes. So here the distinguish between the reflection and the refraction of light. You see, this is also another figure, interesting figure of the reflection of light. Reflection takes place in one medium because after striking the surface, okay, the light cannot pass through the surface. After striking the surface, it bounces back, returns to the same medium. Okay, so the reflection takes place in one medium, but the refraction takes place in more than one medium. Yes, when the light passes to the medium A, another medium B and C, how C? The light can passes to the different medium from one medium to another medium. It means the refraction takes place, okay, in more than one medium. It means the study of the refraction in more than one medium, okay, is also known as the refraction of light. The study of light in more than one medium is known as what? Refraction of light, right? Do you notice the figure? Yes? Yes. Do you observe anything else? The pencil appears to be bent when immersed in water. Do you know why? It is due to bending of light. Yes? Similarly, you see, a coin appears to be near or closer to the surface of water. Yes? It is also due to refraction of light. Yes, and here you see this is the real position of the coin, which is at the base of the glass tank. Okay, but the coin appears to be here and closer to the surface of water. Right? Okay. Another observation, you see, while standing on a rock next to a lake, a hunter sees a fish at position A. Where should the hunter throw the spear in order to catch the fish? Can you tell me? You see here, the actual position of the fish is at B. This is the actual position of the fish. See, the light coming from the fish travels from the high index material, that is water. Water is a denser material. The denser material is known as high index material, okay, into low index material, which is air. And air is a rare medium. Mean density of the air is less than the water. So, what air is a rare medium or low index material, and hence bends away from normal. Okay, when the light from the fish passing through the water and coming out from the air to the another medium, air medium, through the what? Air water interface, refracting surface. Also there is a deviation of light, bending of light. Light undergoes bending at different what? At different angle, at certain angle, at an angle. Right? Yes? Understand? Okay. So this is the another interesting observation of the what? Refraction of light. Okay? Understand? So once again see, this is the real position of the fish, but the fish appears to be, the image of the fish appears to be near to the or closer to the surface of water. Understand? Yes? This is another interesting fact, observation of the refraction of light. Right? And the appearance of face through a glass tumbler. You look at, when you see your face through a glass tumbler, there is a change in the appearance of your face. How does your face look like? Have you observed? Yes. And this blurring face, okay, is due to the what? Refraction of light, right? Similarly, another natural phenomena of twinkling the stars. Have you observed? Do you observe the stars during night in the sky? How do they twinkles? Twinkling stars. Okay, we enjoy to see the twinkling stars in the night. Okay, in the sky. Okay, it is also due to the refraction of light. So twinkling of stars takes place due to atmospheric refraction. Okay, twinkling of stars takes place due to atmospheric refraction in the same. Okay, understand? Yes, because when the light coming from the star to earth, okay, through different layers of atmosphere, they have the different density and temperature. Due to different density and temperature, there is a change in the speed of light. Due to change in the speed of light, light undergoes bending. And due to continuous bending, light travels with a different speed. Due to this light, the rays of light bends many times in random direction. As a result, the star appears to be twinkling. Okay. Similarly, the spoon appears to be bent due to refraction of light. Another interesting phenomena of the dispersion of light through the prism. When the light passes through the prism, okay, the light undergoes splitting into 7 colors, which is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, and these 7 colors, the splitting of light into 7 colors is due to refraction of light. Okay, when the light undergoes passing through the prism, split into different color, split into 7 colors. Okay, understand? And different components of the light have different wavelength. As a result, they have the different speed. Due to different speed, the light undergoes splitting, and the dispersion of light takes place. It is also another interesting fact due to the refraction of light. Understand? So now you can say what is refraction of light. You have understood already. Yes. Yes. Okay. So the phenomenon of bending of light when it travels from one medium to another is called refraction of light. You see here. Okay. Here light passing to the what? This is the from the air and passing to the what? Glass medium. This is rectangular glass slab. How the light undergoes bending at different angles. Okay. So this bending of light, when the light travels from one medium to another medium, is called a refraction of light. Note it down. Yes. So what is the cause of refraction or deviation of light? Yes. The light can travel from one optical medium to another optical medium. Yes. Yes or no? The density of different medium are different due to nature of the materials. Air, water, glass are different optical medium having different density. So the density of air is less than the density of water. Yes? All of you know? Yes. The density of air is less than the density of water, and that's why air is known as less denser medium. Similarly, the density of water is less than the density of glass. So the ray of light travels from air to water or from water to glass. Ray of light, can travels from air to water or from water to glass because air and water are both optical medium. Okay, and they allow the light to pass through them. So when the light travels from different optical medium, there is a change in the speed of light due to difference in their density. Is it clear? So as a result, light changes in the direction and deviation or bending of light express. Okay? Okay? So air, water and glass are three optical medium which allow light to pass through them. Okay? Due to their difference density. Here water, air, water and glass. Right? Okay? So what are the cause of refraction? We already discussed, we get some point here. And the bending or the deviation of light when light travels in different medium is called refraction. The refraction of light is due to difference in densities and temperature of the medium. The speed of light is different in different materials. Light travels faster in optical rare medium than the optically denser medium. The speed of light is more in the optical rare medium. The extent of deviation is more in optical denser medium due to slower speed. The speed of the light in denser medium is less. That's why the deviation of light, the amount of bending of light, which is known as the refractive index, is more in optical denser medium than the rare medium. And the extent of deviation is less in optical rare medium due to greater speed. Yes. The speed of light is more in air than the water. That's why in air the speed of light is more than the water. So the deviation is also less. The amount of deviation, the extent of deviation is less in air, in optically rare medium. Okay. Due to greater speed. Yes. Here is a simple ray diagram about the refraction of light. Okay. Refraction is the phenomenon of bending of light when light travels from one medium to other medium. It is caused by the change in the speed of light as it goes from one medium to another medium due to difference in density and also temperature of different media. Okay. Yes. Look at once again. See here. This is the incident ray. This is the refracted ray, and this is the normal, and this is the refracting surface boundary. This is surface is dividing air and water, separating air and water, where the refraction of light takes place, right? Okay. And this is air is the optically rare medium and water is the optically denser medium. Okay. Understand? So when the light travels from optical rare medium to optical denser medium, there is a bending of light takes place. Light undergoes bending, change the direction, and this change in the direction of light is known as a refraction of light. Okay. So the refraction of light, you see the bending of light takes place. You see here, when the light travels through a rectangular glass tube, also light undergoes bending. Okay, you can observe. See another point. What is normal? Normal is also a ray of light which is travels in a straight line without any deviation while passing through different medium. So when the light passes from different medium, there is no change in the direction and light travels in a straight line. Okay, then that line is also known as normal. And normal means is always perpendicular. This is this you see, this is the normal, and normal is always perpendicular to the refracting surface. Yes, understand? So ray of light which is perpendicular to the refracting surface is also known as normal. It is also a ray of light. Here some of the rules of the refraction I am going to discuss. So when the ray of light travels from optically rare medium to optically denser medium, its refracted ray bends towards the normal. Yes, look at here, and this is the incident ray and this is the refracted ray, and here light coming from optically rare medium to optically denser medium. So the refracted ray bends towards the normal. It means angle of incident I is greater than the angle of refraction R. Okay, I is greater than R and R is less than I. Similar manner, when the light travels from optically denser medium to optically rare medium, yes, optically denser medium to optically rare medium. Yes, you see, to optically rare medium, the refracted ray bends away from normal. This is away from the normal. This is wrong, student. Towards the normal. Okay, wrong trend due to wrong trending. So it is refracted ray bends away from the normal. So this is the incident ray coming from the glass to air. Yes, and the refracted ray bends away from the normal. It means the angle of refraction is more than the angle of incident. Yes, and I is less than R. This is one of the rules of refraction, and this is mostly useful to study the ray diagram of the what of different how to draw the ray diagram of the different spherical mirror. And this is useful rules of refraction and is most important. Okay, so here what we discussed, let's once again review the bouncing back of light to the same medium after striking against a medium is known as reflection. This is one of the recapitulation. A reflection takes place in one medium. Refraction takes place in more than one medium. The phenomena of bending of light when it travels from one medium to another medium is called refraction of light. A coin appears to be near the surface of water due to refraction of light. A hunter above the water sees the apparent position of the fish closer to the surface of water, okay, than the real position of the fish due to refraction of light. Yes, twinkling of stars due to refraction of light. This is one of the natural phenomena. Appearance of change in phase through glass tumbler dish due to also refraction of light. Spoon appears bent in water is due to refraction of light. The splitting or the dispersion of light into 7 colors such as violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red is also due to refraction of light. Yes, okay. So these are some basic concepts here we discuss regarding the refraction of light. Okay, I hope this basic concept introduction to refraction of light. Okay, let's once again go through. Thank you all of you for watching the class once again. Okay, once again thank you. Yes.